This time on Albright Quest,
we go to Tennessee.
So how did we get there, guys? You had to get on a plane to get there?
yes.
Where are we going, guys?
We're going to Tennessee.
Well, first the airport.
Yeah. We're going to Tennessee.
Okay.
Is anybody gonna go?
Your keys have a house key on it, don't they? This one right here.
Bringing my keys.
Well, I don't have my keys. What do you need?
The keys to lock the door in there.
Lock the door.
We had to go on the airplane.
What was different about going on the airplane this time than the other times that you've gone on the airplane?
We had to wear a mask.
Yes.
Getting prepped to go into the airport.
Depending on what state the airport is in, they require a mask.
Have your masks on. Have your mask on. Put it on, Malia. Ready?
So we flew out from San Jose.
Being that it was early in the morning, we made it through check-in and the security extremely fast and had no issues. What do we typically get on the plane?
Food. We get food, like they walk
And?
around with the tray, like the carts.
As you would get on the plane, they had like a brown paper bag with some snacks and some stuff in there, and they would
And
give
some
you
water.
that. And some water.
Some napkins. And they had like TVs on the chairs, and there were different ones beside the other ones.
Well, the first one that we went on had no like TV screen or anything.
So we flew into Dallas, and we had to get on a, what do they call that? A monorail?
Monorail.
I don't know what they call it.
Skylift? No, not Skylift.
Skyline?
What is it?
Tram. Some type of tram. We had to get on a tram car.
Adam's carrying all the luggage. Carry on.
So we had to take the Skylink, which is the correct name, to the right gate so that we wouldn't miss our flight. And the kids seemed to enjoy the Skylink.
This is cool. What are you doing?
Doors are closing. Please do not block the door.
Look at that. Mommy, look at this.
Okay, hold on to the pole, because you're going to fall. See?
We made it to our gate with no problems at all, and even though the COVID is still going on, they still pack the people in the planes.
There's a lot of people, so.
The plane was pretty full.
Yeah.
What else though?
Yeah, the second one was really fun. It had games on.
They had Plants vs. Zombies.
No, don't go. We don't care about that.
Yeah, but that one was fun.
When we got to the airport, who did you see?
Pop.
Where are we, Cole?
In Tennessee.
That's right.
No, we took 2 trips.
Two trips? 2 airplanes?
It took 3 hours.
2 planes?
Yes.
How long it take us?
3 hours each, I think.
Oh,
One was 2 and one was 3 hours.
okay. Well, that's cool.
Well, in total it was about 6
In Tennessee, where we landed, there was not a mask mandate. So there was some people wearing masks at the airport, some not.
Mom and Papa are here already waiting for us. It's pretty cool. There they are. Hi, Mom. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing well.
Good trip? Yeah? Well,
I didn't decom yet. You gotta wait until I completely wash myself off. So we're at our baggage claim now, trying to collect our stuff. Well, we made it. We're here, visiting our folks, or my folks. We're still still are, folks, right? So we made it. We're here. This is the house. We'll show you around. So we got there, and it was nice to visit some family. They have a house on a lake. And a little pontoon boat. We got to go out swimming and use the pontoon boat. The kids and ourselves got pulled behind the pontoon boat. And it was a lot of fun. It's the name of the lake is Tellico Lake, and it's part of an area in Tennessee called Tellico Village. A lot of retired folks there, so it's nice and calm and not very, let's just say it's not very busy. It was great. Nice place. Some good scenery. We had a couple little storms that came through, and the kids seemed to like that. They got to go jump in the water when it was raining, which was fun. Yeah, there was a couple thunderstorms that came through, which was interesting. We don't usually have thunderstorms out here in California, right? So what do you guys think about the thunderstorms that came through?
Not bad.
I didn't like them because then we wouldn't get to swim.
Oh, okay.
You like swimming in the rain?
Yeah.
That was kind of neat.
Swimming in the rain.
Yeah.
Did you get cold in the rain?
Yeah, but lots of fish were coming out, like bluegills, when we were fishing.
Mm-hmm.
In the rain, there was like a lot. And then we were using Daddy's favorite sausages.
Sausages. Yes,
Sausages.
that was your fate of choice.
Sausages.
Let me see.
I got a bluegill. They're very smart, so you have to be careful.
Mommy,
let me see.
I saw one in the
Hold it up.
bucket. Mommy, I saw one in the bucket.
Look at me, Malia.
Mommy, I saw one in the bucket and then it jumped right out.
Yeah? Good job. Okay. No, I gotta get a picture. Put it in the bucket. Go ahead, put it in the bucket.
I think some stuff got in my mouth.
It's fine, Malia. So what'd you do? Did you wait until...
He's exhaling the meat.
It's fine. So what did you do? Did you...
Like he put it in his mouth. I'm pretty sure he did. And I just decided to yank it out, and like you said, it touched.
Good job.
Should we give him like
By his fin.
Hey, let me try that. Don't squeeze his guts out.
And like I barely let it out.
So then they wouldn't be able to see it, and they would be able to, like, I would be able to yank it, and then they would get attached.
So yes, the fishing saga continued as we were, on a lake, so why not go fishing? So Nang caught some good fish.
I did. I caught
A bass.
2 bass.
And don't forget the grand finale. The daddy caught a clam inside.
Yeah, the grand finale, yes.
The grand
Adam
finale.
caught a huge clam.
But it didn't have a pearl.
Yeah, we were hoping for a pearl
No
to be
pearl.
inside. No.
Well, that's all the time we have for this video. Tune in next time as we continue our adventures in Tennessee. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and the bell for notifications so that you don't miss any of our new and upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.